Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Relief Foundation Trust, an organization which is providing dialysis in the city based at King Koti Center, is going in for an expansion and opening up another center at Kukatpalli, which is approximately 15 kilometers from here. This center will be situated in Raja Ramdev Rao Memorial Hospital in Kumudni Devi outpatient block, which is newly built up over 10,000 square feet. Kumudni Devi outpatient block has offered us 2,000 square feet area along with power and water free of cost to set up this new center. The idea of opening this center has come primarily because a lot of patients from this area are traveling over 15 kilometers and spending almost 1 to 1.5 hours each way. To prevent this time for the patient, we have decided to open out this center at Kumudni Devi outpatient block in Ramdev Rao Hospital, and this is starting. The inauguration is on the 1st of July and will likely to start the total operations within 1 week after the inauguration, because post-inauguration we'll have to make that area totally free from all kinds of infestation. So it will first be fumigated for 2 days, and maybe approximately around 5th or 6th we will start the total operations at Kukatpalli also. There are going to be 12 dialysis machines at this initial stage, and with a provision as and when we want to expand, the promoters of the Kumudni Devi outpatient block has committed to us that as and when we want for an expansion, they will provide more space to us. Presently, we undertake dialysis at the King Koti Center. We have 24 machines, and we do almost at an average of about 1,800 dialysis at the King Koti Center. And besides this, we also have 7 more hospitals who have offered their services to us at a very concessional price. And we send the patients who live in those particular areas, same reason that they should not be traveling for a long distance only to come to King Koti Hospital, and they can reach as close as to their homes without wasting too much of time on traveling for dialysis. And these hospitals, at 7 different hospitals, we undertake another 1,500 to 1,800 dialysis. So in all, we are currently doing about 3,600 dialysis. And post this inauguration of Kukatpalli Dialysis Center, we might end up with close to 4,500 and 5,000 dialysis every month. We also have a plan for expansion into King Koti Hospital with an addition of 15 machines. We are at a very advanced stage for the negotiation of additional space with the government of Andhra Pradesh, who have given an assurance that they are looking into this in the proposal what we have given it to them.